Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to insert GIF in Outlook. So let's get started. So if you are trying to insert a GIF in Outlook, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for outlook.com. And after searching for outlook.com, what you have to do is just simply tap on new email, which is on the top left corner of your screen. So after tapping on new email, now you can insert an email. So just simply select a person that you would like to send a mail to. And after selecting that person, now what you can do is just simply type in your contents that you want to send. And after typing in, now if you want to insert a GIF, then what you can do is just simply type in Windows plus dot. So you will find Windows and full stop option. What you can do is just first tap on the Windows key in your keyboard, then tap on full stop. And after doing that, now you'll open up this tab from here. What you can do is just simply tap on GIF over here. After tapping on GIF, now you can add a GIF. So you can search for any GIFs that you want. So here you can see guys, just simply select a GIF and then tap on enter. And after tapping on enter, that GIF will be added. So here you can see guys, the GIF has been successfully added. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then send this email, and the GIF will also be sent. So that's it guys, this is how to insert GIF in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.